you guys, don't mind me. I look crazy. But we are going to be reviewing UNice Hair today. This is from the Bet You collection. And I'm doing a collaboration with them. So they sent me this hair. This is the little baggie that it comes in with the little things that you get with it. Here's the cap. And here is some cute little eyelashes. I will be using this. I don't know if I'll be using these eyelashes, but I will be reusing this container. And you get a cute little headband with it. So this is their 16-inch wig, and it is curly. I got this from, you know, it's off of Amazon pretty much. So I'll be linking everything down below. So this is pretty much their wig that is like a fake scalp effect wig. If I can get it out the bag. This is how it is. This is the inside, how it comes. And these are the knots, how the knots look. So we're gonna get started with applying it and all of that jazz. Okay guys, so this is how the wig is looking on my head. It is kind of layered up here, so I'm assuming this might be a 10 or 12 inch up here, and then it's 16 inches. Sorry, I'm looking over. My daughter is in her playpen and she's trying to get out. So, okay, so Abby was trying to hop out of her playpen, but pretty much this is how it's looking. I think I might go ahead and pluck it just a little bit. I'm not really sure. But yeah, I'm gonna get to styling it so you guys can see how it's gonna come out, and I will be back. Okay, so you guys are gonna crack up. I went to go and pluck this unit when I realized I couldn't really comb it back. So I'm gonna get her positioned right in the camera so you guys can see. But if you can see here, there's like tracks in the middle, like you don't have really much parting space, only right here, and barely right here. And then it goes into more tracks, so you probably get like this much parting space. And then the tracks are on the actual frontal, the closure, sorry. So that's how it looks. So you don't have a lot of parting options. You can keep it parted how it came, or you can, you know, move the part over just a little bit if you don't want it directly in the middle. So I might be doing that. As far as plucking, I don't think you really can pluck it. So the only thing I'm gonna do is add my makeup to the part and pretty much apply it, wet it, and, you know, put it on. So I guess that makes it easier. I don't really see how you can put makeup underneath it, because it's like not gonna go through, so you have to put it on the part. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, it has like a little section out right here in the front, which I probably could pluck a little bit right here, just a tad bit where those lines are. So I might try to do that. So here it is. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna start cutting the lace off. And I'm not gonna cut in any special, well, any special way, pretty much. So as you can see, you guys, I could not finish filming that particular day, but this is me the next night. Actually, this is after I've taken out another style, and I look a little tired, but excuse me. So I decided to just do a simple style with this wig. I combed down the hair in the front. I didn't want to gel down any baby hairs. I felt like it would look weird. So I did want to do a style that complemented my face and framed it. So I did decide to do like a style where it was braided or, twisted out in the front, just to give some depth, and then I pinned it back, and it looked really, really pretty. I didn't really manipulate this hair. I didn't even wet it. This is pretty much how it looks straight out the package. And I really do love this hair so much. It gives me that SZA vibe, how she has like big hair and it's very dense in the front, and it's not like any really major baby hairs, and it's just wild and free. So I do love this style, and I love the texture of this hair. It's so pretty, and you guys, like, it's just flawless. So don't forget to check out UNice Hair on Amazon. Please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel. It's always a pleasure. I will speak to you guys soon. Bye.